In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Spotify playlist to Notion. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to go to our Spotify PC app. So from here, we want to select the playlist you want to add to Notion. So for example, let's select this playlist. And from here, we want to click on this three dots icon. And now we want to select share and go embed your playlist. So this will be the look of your playlist. You can also change the color. So after this, you want to click on copy. So as you can see, it's now copied. So now we want to go to our Notion page. So from here, for example, I'm going to create a new page. Let's name it as Spotify. And now what we want to write here is slash embed. We want to click on this. And now we can just paste the embedded link of our Spotify playlist. So let's paste the link and now embed it. So now it will load. And as you can see, your playlist has now been copied and added to your Notion. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.